Okay, hanging board number 2. What I'm going to do on this one is mark my spots, because I want to pre-drill holes. I don't want to crack it like I cracked the other one, because I'm a big dummy. That'll keep me from cracking. Now the question is, how much space? I think I'm going to go a foot down from the bottom of the pipes. That way you got enough to stack plates and cups and all that good stuff. And if I want to put a microwave on this counter, I'll have room under the microwave as well. There we go. The shelf. And the shelf. That should work pretty darn good. Alright, now I just got to duplicate it on the other side. Nice and clean, refreshing H2O.